Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tune your Kadence ukulele. First, let's understand the standard tuning for most ukuleles, which is G, C, E, and A. This sequence goes from the fourth string, closest to your head, down to the first string, closest to your feet. Tuning regularly is crucial for a pleasant sound. Remember, new strings will need more frequent adjustments as they settle in over the first few days of playing. The easiest way to tune your ukulele is by using a digital tuner. You can use a physical clip-on tuner, which attaches to the headstock and senses vibrations, or a free smartphone app. Both are highly accurate. Simply pluck each string individually, and the tuner will display the note. Adjust the tuning peg until the needle is centered and the correct note, G, C, E, or A, is displayed in green. This method is quick and very precise. If you don't have a digital tuner, you can tune by ear using relative tuning. Start by tuning your C string as accurately as possible, perhaps with a reference tone. Then, press the fourth fret on the C string. This note should match your open E string. Next, press the third fret on the E string. This note should match your open G string. Finally, press the fifth fret on the E string. This note should match your open A string. Listen carefully for matching pitches. To keep your Kadence ukulele sounding its best, make tuning a regular habit. Always check your tuning before you start playing, even if it was in tune yesterday. Environmental factors like changes in temperature and humidity can cause the wood to expand or contract, affecting string tension. Storing your ukulele in a case when not in use can help protect it from these changes, ensuring it stays in tune longer and performs optimally for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.